Today, I want to talk about desired outcomes, and I want to share with you a thinking concept, a different way of thinking that infinitely increases the chances of you achieving your desired outcome, your desired result. This is how it works. Let's say I want to call my mother. That's not my desired outcome. My desire, it's just an action step to achieve my desired outcome. My desired outcome is to connect with my mother, have a meaningful conversation with my mother, maybe ask her how her day is and listen to her more than I speak because I know that she enjoys this. Okay, set my intention, got my desired outcome, pick up the phone and make the call. So what happened? Took me 2 seconds to just think a little bit differently, but infinitely increased my chances of achieving what I wanted to achieve because I made it explicitly clear before I took action. Okay, very simple, but very, very profound. It works well in business as well. I like it when someone says, I sent the email, Trav. They didn't reply. They think they've achieved their desired outcome. I say, well, the desired outcome wasn't achieved. The desired outcome wasn't to send an email. That was just an action step. The desired outcome is to pass on information to a person and to get information back. Okay, what other action steps are available? Well, we could call them. We could find an alternative email. We could contact their secretary. We could contact them via LinkedIn, via WhatsApp. Maybe walk to their office and speak to their secretary if their office is just around the corner in Zurich. Many different options. Now, I'm not saying this to hardline your employees. Please don't do that. There are much better ways to lead people. But I wanted to share with you the concept of thinking in terms of outcomes because it is an absolutely beneficial habit to form.